Hey guys, it's Bella from Bella's Toy Chest. So, I was out at Target today and I came across this really cool item. I love looking for toys. It's not really, well, I don't know what it is because it's like a mystery box. So, it says don't open till 2019. Made, I guess it's for 90s kids, and I am a 90s kid. So, I was like, might as well open it and see what's inside. So, um, it's called the 90s time capsule. Do not open until 2019. It's really funky. It says it has 10 big surprises in it. So, I remember making those when I was in middle school, like I was cool or something. So I figured, look how awesome it is. So, I figured I'd go ahead and do an unboxing to see what's inside of it. It was $24.99. So if there's not anything in there that I want, I mean, it's not a waste of $24. I figured like all the 90s kids would like to see it. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to use tape. So let's see what's in here. Let's undo it. Should have probably had this already untaped. Alright. There's so much tape. Let's see. Should have got better scissors. These aren't for opening boxes. Too many boxes, I guess. Okay. So. The first thing you see is Be Kind and Rewind. This was from Blockbuster. I miss Blockbuster. So, here's this cute little note that says, "Sup, how's it hanging, future person? If found this note, it looks like you stumbled on our stash, a stockpile of totally dope gear, our time capsule straight from the 90s. It is not to be opened for 20 years. Our goal is to share all of our essentials, 90s swag with a future person, so if it's the right time, dive into because this stuff is da bomb. And remember what they say, it's all the good, it's all that in a bag of chips." It's a cute little note. So, let's see what's in here. So, this is the packaging that it comes in. And I see this open up one thing at a time. So, temporary tattoos. Class of 94. And some stickers. Oh, the snap bracelet. I still love this. It does remind me of the 90s. Oh. And who remembers that this is actual glass? My hair is a mess today. This is actual glass, but it's funny because it looks like one of those water cups. Alright. More temporary tattoos. I'm now old enough and have real tattoos. This is awesome. 90s trading cards. Ring pop. The actual telephone, which most people don't know what that is these days because they all have iPhones or smartphones. Let's see. Say it isn't so. A fanny pack. You can catch me wearing this. Oh my goodness. Hold on, guys. It's freaking butterfly clips. I need to run to Target and buy more of these. Remember the butterfly clips? You thought you were all cool and stuff? Let's put those over here. Oh, so cute. Okay, but I think I'm more excited about this damn fanny pack. Yeah. Look at that. I will be wearing this everywhere I go, so if you see me at Comic-Cons or conventions, I'll be wearing this. My dogs are a little angry right now. Solitaire. It's a vintage computer game. People still play that though. Instant message pads. That's hilarious. You remember you used to instant message your friends like, hey, what's up? So, I think, let me pull, I broke that. Let me pull this out, make sure there's nothing else in there. Oh, there is. I remember these. I used to write all over my books with them and not even pay attention in class. These are gel pens. People are gonna love these. My dogs are mad. And this is a vinyl sticker. It's pretty cool. So, this is the 90s time capsule. In my opinion, it is definitely worth $24.99. Look at all this cool stuff again. That's actual glass. It's a fanny pack. I love it. I'm gonna take this everywhere I go. And we all remember Blockbuster. It's a sticker. Solitaire. Again, it's not on the computer. It's actually in cards now. Little cute gel pens. Little butterfly clips, which is awesome. I would put them up in my hair, but my hair had like different plans today. Having such long hair, you really can't do much with it unless you put it up. Slapstick bracelet. Again, this is really cool for like 90s kids, just to remember like what everything we had. And the temporary tattoos. You could put on anything. Most of us probably have real tattoos by now. And this awesome instant pad message. I love it. Looks like a computer. These cute little stickers. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the trading cards just to see what they have inside of them. I should probably use scissors for that. Alright. So, these are the trading cards. Aren't they cute? It's just like stuff. The cassette player, the only way to fix it. I used to play this with my friends all the time. It's just crazy stuff. And this awesome note they gave us. So, that was the 90s box from Target. I don't know if it's the Target exclusive, but again, it was $24.99. So, be sure to look out for that if you're totally interested in the 90s time capsule. Again, thanks for watching my channel. Bye.